Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Morgan and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I refresh my locks after every morning. So usually when I go to sleep, I sleep with a satin bonnet, and then I have a satin pillowcase to sleep on just in case my bonnet like slides off or whatever. And like as you can see, like my hair is kind of like there's some loose hair and whatnot. So I'm going to show you what I do, and usually the after result is super promising. So if you want to see how I refresh my locks, just keep on watching. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and take off my bonnet, and these curls, waves, whatever, are just pretty much from when I took out my 2-strand twist, and I pretty much like applied some gel to my edges here. So honestly, what I'm going to do, what I didn't think about before, is I'm going to put my hair up. So let me pull this up. And honestly, when I first took out my twist, I wasn't really that satisfied with it, but like over the course of a few days, today is Tuesday and I took them out Thursday, so over the course of the last few days, it's actually kind of dropped, and I really like how they look. So alright, so I'm gonna take my spray bottle right here, and what I'm gonna do is it's like very hard, so I'm just gonna give it like a little spritz just to kind of loosen that gel up a little bit. Okay, so I was talking about how I didn't like this white stuff right here. So what I'm pretty much doing is I'm like spritzing it and kind of like combing it down, and then I'm gonna take like a paper towel or some cloth and just kind of get that product out of my hair, because it has to be from the gel. Because I don't really want old gel in my hair. And I get really good at this. I think that's pretty much good enough for this side. I know I'm looking a little crazy, but I'm pretty much going to do the same thing on the other side. Now typically I really don't do this like every day, because I mean, I've been doing the gel thing for a couple of days now, so it's just building up. So I wouldn't have this much tomorrow if I did the exact same thing. But I just want to make sure my hair's not just like crowded with all this gel, because it just makes your hair hard. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, let's see, I'm going to take some oil and like some of my hair, like this right here, I don't want it to become interlocked. That's not really the right word. I don't want it to become part of my edges, if that makes sense. So I'm just gonna kind of retwist this one out of the way, and I only do this for a couple of them. I don't make a habit of retwisting all my locks, because you don't want to do it so often. So I just want to separate these from my edges. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and lay down my edges. Usually if my hair wasn't like curly, I would spray it with water. I might do a little bit, but I don't want the water to like weigh down the curls, so I probably won't do that today. But usually when my hair is straight, I just go ahead and do it. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Got To Be Glued. And I mean, this stuff has a really strong hold, but I don't know if, like, it makes my hair kind of hard. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of lay down these, and then get like a soft bristle, and then swoop, do the swoop edge. You guys know. Yeah. So when I do that, it becomes, I kind of just want to brush it in, because that's not part of my baby hair. That hair belonged to this one. So I'm gonna take that and twist it back into the lock again, and then put that behind. So really this is my baby hair. Okay, there we go. It's a little better. And honestly, I really only care about like this part, because this will be covered. And this is trial and error, honestly. So I think that's okay for now. And then do the same on the other side. Okay. And it just looks a lot like it's a lot of gel. Okay. Does anybody just ever want to like cut off their baby hairs? Because I feel like I just have too much. But whatever. Alright, so I don't know what's going on, so I'm gonna let this hair down just to see what's going on. See, you can't even tell. Okay. So here the hair is getting a little frizzy at the root. Okay, so I'm going to take a little bit of water, and I'm going to mix it up with a little bit of oil. And I'm going to just like scrunch. Yeah, why not? I don't want to put too much. Okay. So scrunch, 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 scrunch. Alright. So I'm gonna look at these edges a little bit more. Make sure it's looking right. Looks good to me. And then for my locks. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that same oil and I'm going to rub it all over my hands. And then I'm just going to kind of just some of these roots, just get rid of this frizziness. then I see some white stuff right here from the gel. Just gonna kind of pat that. Right now this gel is pretty much in place because that's just how Got2b works. But yeah, this is pretty much how I refresh my locks. Very quick, doesn't have to take too long. Honestly, this is the reason why I got Locs. It's like super low maintenance, very easy to work with. So I'm glad I get to just roll out of bed and honestly just go. Before this wasn't a thing, I would have to, well, I would co-wash and all that stuff and products, and then I would have to do my hair, and now it's just edges, fix it up a little bit, and then I'm good. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up, click the bell notification so you'll never miss an upload, and make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.